Hello guys, I am Akhil Bindal and in this video I am going to show you how to generate G code using Creo Parametric. I am using Creo Parametric 2.0. You can use any version. First of all, you should have the CAD model or the component ready. If you have made the component in any other CAD software, just save it in IGS file format like I have done it here. So let's open the software. I recommend you to open the CAD model so that when you require it, it is ready. Click on open. I've set it on desktop, so click on desktop. As you can see, I don't see my file here, so ensure that on type you have selected all files. Click open, click OK. So my file is ready. Now I have divided the whole process in 8 steps. If you follow these steps in sequence, I hope you don't miss anything. So first step is to create a new manufacturing file. So click on file, new, manufacturing, NC assembly, name it. Uncheck this use default template. Click OK. You can choose any of these templates. I am using millimeter, kilogram, seconds. Click OK. Now my manufacturing window is ready. So the first step is to assemble the reference model. So click on reference model, assemble reference model. As I have already opened the model, so it will be in session. So here it is. Click open. Place it where you want. Give it some constraints. I am using default constraint. In this, I am status is fully constrained. So click on OK. Now assemble the workpiece. Click on workpiece. I am using automatic workpiece. You can also assemble the workpiece. Click on automatic workpiece. You can change the dimension by dragging these icons or going to options, giving these offset values. Click OK. Now define a work center. So click on work center. I am using a mill. So click on mill. Click OK. Now define a machining coordinate system. So click on coordinate system. In general practice, we use a coordinate system such that all of its 3 axes are pointing outward. So I am using this corner as my origin. For orientation, I am using this as my x-axis. This is my y-axis. As you can see, my y-axis and z-axis are pointing inwards. So I want to flip them. So it is good. Click OK. Now define an operation. Click on operation. Select the coordinate system you just created. Go to clearance, and here for retract surface you just click on any of these. I'm using plane. I'm using this as my reference. I give it any value. This is the plane on which my tool will come after every tool change axis. Now you can see a mill window has occurred here, so click on it. You can define any of these NC sequence. I am using volume milling, so click on roughing, volume rough. These 3 are the mandatory ones. You can define according to your wish. I am using volume to define it. Click on done. Ensure that you use the same tool you mention here so that there is no error. So click here. I am using 5 mm, 50 mm. Click apply, click OK. These are the cutting parameters. The yellow ones are the required ones. You can skip others. This is cut feed in millimeter per minute. Enter these values. Click OK. Now define a mill volume. Mill volume is what you want to mill. So click on mill volume. I want to mill this elliptical part. So extrude, draw on this surface, project this elliptical part on this plane. Yes, this is my figure now. Click OK. Now select to the surface. Use this surface. Yes. Click OK. Now you can see this is my mill volume. If the mill volume is complex and intersecting with the component, use this trim and select component so that any intersecting part is trimmed from the mill volume. Click OK. Done sequence. Now my NC sequence is defined. You can see the material removal simulation by just right clicking on it and click on material removal simulation. Play, and it shows how the tool will go. Remember, this is not in real time. Cross it. Now the final step is to save the CL file. So click on manufacturing, save a CL file, NC sequence, volume milling. Click on file, check this MCD file, click done. Save it where you want. I am saving it here. Click OK. Now for the post processor, you can define a machine. Also click done here. Most of the machines use P12 as a post processor. You can use which you want. I am using this. Now my code file is generated. Click close, done output. Let's see. Yeah. This is my file .ncl. Open it using Notepad. You can use this file for machining, and we are done. I think you like the video. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.